Good morning. Wala, di natin gagamitin good morning kahit hindi na morning kasi morning pa din. Alas 4 na umaga as of posting. Nakita niyo sa likod ko? Laundry ko yan. Hindi ako nag-laundry ngayong weekend na to. Like, I was so drained. And if you're feeling the same way, na natulog ka lang talaga buong araw, that's normal. That's the way your body is saying, hey, take a breather, stop. Huwag niyong i-force yung sarili niyong gawin yung mga bagay na kailangan niyong gawin. Listen to your body. Usually, Saturday mornings, after I get off work, I handle that. I handle laundry. I handle all the laundry in this household. And my body was just like, no, we're not gonna deal with that today. And it's fine. Dati, pag nangyayari to sa katawan ko, nagigilty ako. And in life, maraming bagay na magigilty tayo na hindi natin ginagawa. Like, for me, I am in my mid-30s, but I'm not married, I'm not in a relationship. Like, alam mo yun, hindi picture perfect yung buhay ko. And that's okay. That's fine. And time and time again, you will realize life is not a race, it's a journey. And for me, I have days that I just stop. I just freaking stop. Take a breather, take a rest, don't do my laundry, don't do any chores. And that's fine. That's good.